Welcome to ChequeSystem tutorial. In this video, we will discuss the quick export feature in Report. In the Report windows of ChequeSystem, you'll find a quick export button at the top of the screen. This quick export button allows you to export reports to a specified folder in your chosen format, such as PDF, HTML, or Excel. It can save your time and effort. To use the quick export button, you first need to set it up. From the main screen, click on the menu settings and choose Quick Export Settings. In the pop-up dialog, you can specify the output folder where the exported report will be saved. You can also choose the file type for the output, PDF, HTML, or Excel. Additionally, you can decide whether to overwrite an existing file or save a new copy, if the exported file already exists. After making your settings, click the Save button to apply them. Now you can use the Quick Export button in the report. With just one click, your report will be exported to the selected folder. Thank you for watching this ChequeSystem tutorial on the Quick Export feature. We hope you found it helpful.